Hello. On this exercise, we are going to do 2 rhythmic exercises on the melody of the tune that I was playing that we use on the intro. So this is more of a rhythmic exercise because I'm playing the same melody using 2 different rhythms. So first of all, we need to get the melody right. This is the melody. Okay, the progression is D, G, D, and then we go to A. So for D, it's string number 2 will be on the 3rd fret, and string number 3 on the 2nd fret. That's the. Then we go to string number 2, which will be on the 2nd fret, string number 4 on the 4th fret. So that's the D. Then for the G, it's string number 4 on the 5th fret, string number 2 on the 4th fret, and string number 2 on the 3rd fret. Then we go back to. Then on the A, it's string number 4 on the 7th fret, string number 3 on the 6th fret, and string number 2 on the 5th fret. That's the notes we are going to be playing for the first part of the melody. So I'm going to play it with the backtrack right now. Thank you. Okay, now on this second exercise, the melody will be going then so what's happening is I'm playing string number 2 on the 3rd fret, then string number 3 on the 2nd fret. So I'll be playing it twice. It's like, then string number 2 on the 2nd fret, string number 4 on the fret. So the rhythm is pa 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 pa. So when playing with the normal tempo, it's the notes are the same with the notes that I was using on the first part of the exercise. So you can copy the same notes and the same fingering, but what's different now is the rhythm. As I mentioned earlier, this exercise is more on the rhythm element of the melodies.
Monolio Studio, the harmony of quality and professionalism.